Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a quick on gold market. So you can see that market continues upward direction. Yesterday we talked it's maybe some reaction could start because market stands near the weekly overbought area, but market was able to pass a bit more, and now on the daily chart it seems that nothing's really serious stands on the market. If you will plot here the overbought indicator, you'll see that market is not at the overbought here. And theoretically, it could be treated as ability of the market to go further, but it will be not bad to take a look at the higher time frames. For example, if you'll take a look at the weekly chart, we talked about it recently. Market stands in the weekly overbought significantly. On the monthly chart, market not yet at overbought, but overbought stands 1888. So it's and market was standing very close to it. It's also a significant barrier for the market that could trigger the retracement at any time. That's why in the current circumstances we can't call for taking the long position. Maybe the strong driving factors that stand beyond the call could push market high and high, ignoring the overbought. Sometimes this happens on the market, but we are following to the odds, and in the current circumstances, odds suggest to not take the new longs and wait for some healthy pullback on the market. Also, do not forget what we talked about in the weekly report. I am repeating it every time. That overall net position on the gold reached some high levels of saturation. So maybe it's not ultimate levels yet, but it already stands in areas where the upside potential is limited, and that also could become the reason for a pullback. It means that here we could consider, for example, another target. This was currently mentioned in the forum that we have another pattern here, say BCD, and take a look at the XOP target stands 1875 approximately. The market right now is challenging it for reaching this level. On the hourly chart, we have some signs. Well, they are not really very strong, but still they hints on some possible this housing swap reaction or something of that sort. So you can see that market is building the bearish divergence with the MACD, and the butterfly is forming here. So we have the 127 target has been reached, some reaction has followed here. This market climbed a bit higher. Now it's coming 1877, 78. This will be the target of the butterfly. Also, don't forget, guys, this Thursday we're coming to the weekend. Weekend, a lot of things could happen, and that's why taking the position right at the overbought before the weekend and the target on the daily chart, well, it's really, at least from the probability point of view, this is not a good decision. That's why we just should be patient currently and see what will happen around these targets, how market will respond on the overbought, because now we have a overbought not on the daily but on the weekly and monthly chart. And the general combination of the extended, overextended net long position on the gold with the technical overbought on the monthly and weekly chart, this is deadly combination for the gold. It's not good, not only for gold, but for any market. It doesn't mean that it will break the long-term context, long-term trend, but just could trigger the significant pullback. Well, that's actually what we are watching for. So that's our view currently on the gold market. At this moment, it's also, we do not see good chance to go short, because overall upward action, as you can see, has really very strong impulse, significant upward action here, and we do not have clear bearish reversal patterns. We don't have strong bearish setup, except maybe this butterfly. But it's not enough, definitely, when you plan to get short on the market that shows the significant rally. So currently, I would stay aside from many bearish positions. So that's our view on the gold market. Let's see. We will get today and tomorrow in action, and both action actually will be even market this target and on the overbought area.